James here with the What We Do Crew YouTube channel, and today's video is leaving our Carbondale Crystal River campground and heading up to Lone Mesa Dispersed camping spot. So the first videos here are just a few driving clips and on our way to our camp spot, and right there is the Colorado River. Not too many tunnels here, but we had one. It was another gorgeous day, nice drive. Some more beautiful scenery, and we're pretty much kind of out of the mountains there, kind of into the open desert, getting our way there. That lowered truck up there was a lot of older hot rods were out cruising around. This is turned off the main road going up to Lone Mesa, and on the right hand side those are the Navajo Rocks. It's a big area for people with mountain biking and side-by-sides, four-wheelers, dirt bikes. There's quite a few in the area, and near the Lone Mesa there's also a group camp spot as well. So if you have a large party of campers and off-road vehicles, there's a spot there that you can all camp together and circle the wagons per se. So this little trek is, I think it's around 10 miles or so off the highway, and we're slowly heading up a incline here to the camp spot. That was a nice view right there with the layered rocks and the green brush, and it's absolutely beautiful. So here we're coming up onto the camp spot. You got to take a dirt road, probably about, I don't know, maybe a mile or so to the camp spot. And there was a few to choose from, and we chose this one kind of on the ledge. So we had a good 180 degree view. Those are some of the Navajo Rocks there. And this is our view.
We're breaking out a little bit of something special here, some Crown Blackberry. To the crew.
To the crew. To the crew. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Nice.
I can taste that one. Now for the fine. Yeah. Chaser water.
Wash it down with some water.
Wash it down with some nice beer flavored water.
There you go.
So this is the pan off here of again of our camp spot, and you can see there's little rock fire pits people put together, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to have fires out there. We did not. but one other camper actually did. Down there you can see that's the dispersed camping area for the group area. And then they have these trails and all these dirt roads. People were out there with their side-by-sides and riding into the night. And there's our camp spot, and we actually spent a good amount of the day, Kyle and Dale out for a stroll. But we spent most of the day just sitting there, just enjoying the view in the desert. You know, sometimes you just gotta slow down and relax and just enjoy, you know, our land. You know, so these are some clips of the sunset, and I'll just stop talking and let you enjoy. That's one thing about the desert and sunrise and sunset, is it leaves a purple hue across the desert, and it's just gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of Star Wars, Luke Skywalker's home. This was the next morning. We were wrapping up things to leave, and right on the ledge by our camper there's these kit foxes, also known as the desert fox. And they have their home like right underneath that ledge in the rocks. So there's a little bit of reflection there because I was shooting this from the window inside the camper. Yeah, it's the mother and I don't know, 4 or 5 of her pups. You know, the pups are just running around having a good time. Playing, and it was just wonderful to see. You know, it was a nice surprise. Yeah, that's Mom. She's up there watching out over hunting, looking for rabbits and things. And one thing that I learned too is that these foxes don't need water. They get all their water from the prey that they eat. So so she was definitely scanning. She went down the hill a couple times and thought she was going to get something, but came back up. That's been one of the nicest things about this trip, is to be able to see this wildlife in their natural habitat, you know. It was amazing. Yeah, so there will be videos out, you know, I'll be releasing them every Saturday now at 9 a.m. Eastern. So keep an eye out for those. And there's a couple pups just watching us in the window there. They weren't too scared at all, really. The night before, when we were shooting the sunset, we saw a tail go by, but we didn't know what it was until the morning. And you know, they all came out, and I guess they started to feel more comfortable that we were basically camped right on top of their home. So yeah, this is where I actually went out on the front side of the camper there, and there was another couple camping, and we waved them over, and we were all just standing out there watching them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.